Hey y'all, Craig with Small Town Reshop and with the Bickhams on the YT on the YouTube, y'all. Gonna make some quick chicken salad tonight, y'all, with some rotisserie chicken. So let's get at it. Y'all, I got my rotisserie chicken. I've got to cut some off so I can debone. We're gonna chop a little bit of onion. This is about about half of a half, something like that. All right, I got about a chicken breast and a leg quarter deboned. Now look, I leave a little bit of the skin, just a little bit, but I've got it chopped up here. I'm gonna just put it in my bowl. All right, I like to use a combination. This is the Kinder's called the blend. Use whatever kind of seasoning that you like. Make sure you season it up good enough. I like a little bit of pickle relish in mine. You can omit the pickle relish if you need to. I like a little bit of yellow mustard. And you gotta have the mayo. So this is gonna take a good bit of mayo. So we're gonna give it two big scoops. That's gonna make a big bunch, especially after we put the eggs in it. And we're gonna get it mixed up good with the onions on the bottom. So I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper. All right, so we got the eggs in. I'm just gonna take my knife and just real quick, just chop it into some smaller pieces, whatever. So I just got a jar of our pickles. I'm gonna take a little bit of the juice and pour that in. Now, if I had some celery seed, but I don't, I'm out, I would put a little bit of celery seed in it because I like that flavor from the celery seed. This is actually even really good if you take a little bit of the everything bagel seasoning, which I have. You know, everything bagel is not salty, so you can put a good bit in there and you get the flavor of those sesame seeds in there as well, and the poppy seeds. Plus it makes it look pretty. So the chicken, I didn't cut it up real small, so the chicken's still kind of chunky. Now we're going to give it a taste. See if we need to add any more salt or anything like that. Bon appetit. It's good. Y'all need to give that a try. Real easy, super quick. Rotisserie chicken salad. Can't beat it. Y'all check me out next time. I'm Craig with Small Town Reshop and with the Bickhams on YouTube. See y'all.